guys, and this is Key coming back to you. Why? Because I have the new iPad Pro. This is the new 11-inch Pro, 2018. It came out this year. It just came out a few days ago, I'll have you know. So this is my new unboxing, and as well as the new Apple Pencil, the 2nd generation. So let's get into it. Are you guys listening? Let's see if it's gonna do it. I don't hear anything. It's supposed to be this magical sound. Throw that over there. I'm not littering, guys. I have trash on the side. Let me throw that to the side. No, watch I break it. So in order to get it out of the box, you have to do a little bit of shaking motion. So you're gonna need Phillips flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna push, and then the video is gonna be over. Oh my life, it's so light. What side is right side up?
We don't know.
You guys ready again? All right, I'm getting ready to take the plastic off. This is becoming very messy. So before I get into the iPad itself, this beautiful, thin, lightweight thing, I'm gonna set it to the side. It comes with a quick start guide, you know, pretty pictures. You can set up face recognition, Face ID, you know, and the legendary beautiful. We never use them, but we keep them, you know, secured away in the box. I don't know if you guys keep your boxes, but I do. And yeah, I never use them, but I keep them. It just kind of goes with getting the Apple product. So guys, this has never been done in an Apple product. It is the USB-C wall input and the USB-C charger. There we go. And this is what the back looks like, just so you can get an idea. So it just have a few speakers up there, a few speakers at the bottom, and also a place for the Apple Pencil, which I'll display soon. So the typical login screen. While we get this thing situated, I'm gonna start on my Apple Pencil. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the new 2018 2nd generation Apple Pencil. I tried it. There we go. It wasn't that difficult to open anyway, honestly. Okay, so this one comes out, it has a tab, it's much easier to access. Don't want to cooperate. There we go. It's a tight fit. One thing I can say about this one, this pencil is a little bit smaller than the current one that I have, but as you can see, it has like one side that's like a flat edge, and it attaches to the iPad. So how this works is pretty much that flat side, it hooks onto the top, and this is how it charges. So it's kind of neat. So I'm gonna actually finish up setting up this iPad, and then I'll come back to you. So now I have everything all set up. I just connected my Apple Pencil. As you can see, it's a little bit backwards, but it doesn't matter. This is the icon that pops up when it's time for the pencil to be synced or paired with your device, and obviously that took too long. So I'm gonna reconnect it. The icon pops up and then it should be a drop down or like another pop-up. It says, would you like to use this pencil with your iPad? Of course. So I hit connect, and you hit continue, and of course you ignore, what you're signing your life away to. And there you have it. And this is also the way you would charge your pencil. So I'm just gonna go to notes, because obviously I haven't had time to download any apps just as of yet. So I just want to demonstrate a little bit of how it draws. So I'm gonna use a dark color and kind of, obviously that's not really much of anything, but it works pretty fine with it, even on its side, because I know that was a problem with the old one I experienced. When I turned it to the side, it did not draw. But typically it's like right on the edge. So that works pretty neat. So we're gonna do the test that everyone is doing, because supposedly these magnets are so strong that you don't have to worry about your Apple Pencil flying off with normal usage. So you put a cushion down. Not coming off. I mean, you legit have to put, you probably would have to put like full force for it to actually come off, but yeah, it's not coming off. So you can be rest assured that, you know, your pencil should be safe as long as it's attached and used as normal. Now, obviously, if you throw this iPad, the pencil probably would fly off, but it's pretty sturdy on there. So thank you so much for watching my video. It's so cold out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy home and play with it a little bit more, and I will be coming back to you with the review on how I liked it. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.